I'm going to show you how to create a fully integrated landing page in less than 6 minutes inside Business Catalyst with the landing page builder. You will be able to create unlimited landing pages which work in seamlessly with BC's awesome business and marketing functionality. So let's get started. The presentation you just saw was actually created using the landing page builder, which was these two pages, this one which linked to the Let's Get Started page. But where we're going to start with building out is creating a coming soon page. And you start with a very blank canvas. This plus sign allows you to create your very first section inside the landing page builder, and you start with a layout. So a layout can be what you see there in front of you, which is just columns, or you can integrate a form from Business Catalyst, or if you want to do something even quicker and easier, you can choose from one of the templates, and obviously there's going to be a whole lot more of those coming soon. But this is a really quick way to demonstrate what is possible. So the very first thing I'm going to do is update the image. And what you'll find is that whichever section you choose, whichever layout you choose, this menu here on the right hand side will have elements that relate to the elements on that particular menu. So I'm just going to update the image. And you can see that that has uploaded it instantly onto the page. I'm now going to work on the font because I want to make that all consistent throughout. So you'll see that I'm going to update these here. So you can see I have updated those fonts from this menu here. I've made all the fonts white. I can update the sizes and I've made them all a consistent font, but you have very, very many there to choose from. This particular template also has a click me button which relates to this icon here. And as you can see, there's a number of different settings there, but one of the things that I'd like to do here is to change the text. So I'm just going to say, I'd love you to join me. And that will instantly be what shows up on the button. As soon as I've done that, I can move right on to the next section. So I'm clicking the Add Section button again. And this time I'm going to add a form to the page. So this is how I go about doing that. This is where the true magic starts to happen. You'll see it form before your very eyes. You'll see that you have a drop down of all the forms that you've got on the website and you can integrate it seamlessly. And because this section has got a form on it, I'm going to be able to click on the icon that gives me a whole lot of options that come with the form. And you can see there's quite a few there. I'm just going to fill this out quickly. So you can see here there's a whole range of options that I've ticked, and there's a whole lot that I've got there that I can choose from, and the form has changed to look a lot more like what I would like it to look like. I'm also going to change the background colour here because I think it needs a little bit of contrast. So this is the palette that I have entered into the settings, and that looks a bit better. I also have the ability of duplicating a section, which I can do right here, and I can also drag and drop that section or any section to anywhere on the page. I can also make these buttons go to wherever I want. So again, because this is the form, I can decide where this will be redirected if I want that to go to another page. I also can't resist showing you a final feature that we've got right now because I show you how I can link to a media download just because I can. So this is the button that's in one of the templates. I can click on that, and that button action, instead of a redirection to a URL, it's going to not redirect to a landing page but go directly to a download, and that links into media uploads that I've got on the website. So just a few final things before I show you the live page again. You'll see here I've been able to say where I want the redirect link to go, and in the button text I've just put that I'd prefer to put a different word to submit, because apparently that's not a very good word to use. So there we have it. We're going to test this landing page in just a moment. I've also linked this button to a section much further down the page, and I'll show you how I've done that. I've got it to scroll to section 3. So now the proof will be in the pudding. Here we go. So here I am on my landing page. I'd love you to join me, so that can take me right down to the bottom, but I've actually just decided that I would like to subscribe Stella. And that takes us to another landing page saying thank you and thank you.